In this video, you will learn how to connect HFM to MetaTrader 5. Open a HFM account, go to the official HFM website, then register for a trading account. Choose MetaTrader 5 as your preferred trading platform during the sign-up process. Verify your account. Complete the KYC process by uploading your ID and proof of address. Once you're approved, you will get access to your client area. Download MetaTrader 5. Download MetaTrader 5 from the HFM platform section or from the official MetaTrader website. Install it on your desktop or mobile device. Get your MetaTrader 5 login details. Inside your HMF dashboard, locate your MetaTrader 5 account details. This will be the server name, password and login. Launch MetaTrader 5 and log in. Open MetaTrader 5 and click Files. Log into trading account. Then enter your login credentials and select the correct server. Start trading. Once logged in, your HFM account is now connected to MetaTrader 5. You can access tools, charts and begin placing trades. Now you know how to connect HFM to MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.